We strive to provide our customers with the best service possible. So when we get a 5-star review like this, we have to show it to the world.
I have 5 check-ins, and that covers less than half my visits without writing a review, so it's time. If you live within 30 miles of this place, check it out. I noticed there's auto tags from DC in the parking lot. I have several farmers markets nearer than this, but none with the array of products. For starters, it's in an enclosed building in a shopping center with restrooms near the front entrance, a restaurant, right side, and a table area, left side of building to eat your non-restaurant purchases. So don't forget to bring a cooler with an ice pack to keep all your non-restaurant purchases fresh.
And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from our existing customers, we love earning 5-star reviews from our new customers, and we want to earn one from you. Thank you for dropping in today. We look forward to doing business with you. We are only one call away from serving you.